Easihold is a non-toxic, water-based stone and mulch binder for use around the home and garden. Easihold comes in two sizes, a 5-litre jerry can and an 800ml trigger spray. The 5-litre size is great for big projects. It can be decanted into an airless pressure sprayer, a watering can, or mixed directly with stones. The 800ml spray bottle is ideal for small areas and comes ready to use. It's great for tight spaces and is perfect for use on plant pots. Working out how much you need. One 5-litre Easihold provides a firm hold for 8 square metres. If you have areas that won't receive any foot traffic, you can extend the coverage rate to 14 square metres for a 5-litre jerry can. One 800ml Easihold covers 2 square metres. To work out the area that you have, multiply the length by the width to give your total amount of square metres. Suitable stone and mulch types. Easihold works with stones that are between 4mm and 25mm, with the best results for stones between 8mm and 20mm. Easihold works best with non-porous stones such as quartz, granite and marble. Pea gravel is also suitable, as well as river pebbles and cobbles. Easihold can also be used on slate chippings, however, due to the flat shape of slate, it's not suitable for foot traffic after application. Angular stones allow for better compaction and are more suited for foot traffic. Rounded stones still work great with Easihold, but smaller sizes work better for foot traffic. Easihold can dry down to 25mm or 1 inch in depth. Any deeper than this, an Easihold will struggle to evaporate. If your area is deeper than 25mm, apply Easihold in layers, starting with a 25mm base layer. Most stones will arrive from a supplier with dust and dirt on the surface. For Easihold to bind the stones effectively, the dust and dirt needs to be washed off prior to application. This can be done by simply hosing down the rocks and allowing them to dry before applying Easihold. Existing stones can also be used with Easihold. Be sure to remove any leaves, weeds or debris before applying Easihold, as these will weaken the hold. Our range of decorative aggregates are pre-washed and screened to the correct size for Easihold. Find them on our website, easihold.com. Easihold is perfect for bark mulch, rubber mulch and straw mulch. Bark chippings are the most common type and are suitable for use with Easihold. Homemade mulches using garden clippings are not suitable for use with Easihold. Suitable bases. Easihold works best when applied over a stable, free-draining base. It's important that the base underneath Easihold is stable enough to hold the traffic it is to receive. Movement of the ground underneath the Easihold can lead to cracks on the surface, which will break down over time. A free draining base is perfect, as water can drain straight through the Easihold, through the base and then into the ground without the need for additional drainage put in place. If Easihold is installed on a non-permeable, non-free draining base, then water can pool and will start to break down the Easihold if left for a number of days. We recommend installing Easihold over a compacted crushed stone base with a weed membrane used to inhibit weed growth. So you've got your area size measured out, your stones selected, and you've got your Easihold ordered. We need to start planning for the application.